Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has announced plans by the Jamaican government to transform the Trelawny multipurpose stadium into a premier sports, tourism and economic hub through private sector partnership. In March of last year, Sports Minister Olivia Grange announced that two private entities had submitted proposals to partner with the government on further development of the venue. Prime Minister Holness elaborated on the matter during his presentation in the 2026-27 budget debate in the House of Representatives on Thursday.
Further south, anchored by the Trelawny multi-purpose stadium at Florence Hall, we will finally deliver on the promise this facility has always held. We will be developing the area into a world-class sports center for sports training, major events, and sports tourism.
Prime Minister Holness added that the ultimate objective is for the venue to become an economic hub.
We have had several proposals come to use the Trelawny Stadium, but the government was never fully in a position because, Madam Speaker, to convert this into a sports tourism entity would require not just the facility. We would have to put in place infrastructure, water, proximity to working and resilient health facilities, proper housing, all the things that would be required to make such a facility work. So we were never in a position then to do it. But today, Madam Speaker, we are bringing all the infrastructure. We're bringing all the infrastructure together. So this can actually now become a center of economic activity in sports.
The Trelawny Stadium was built as a legacy project for the 2007 ICC 50 Over World Cup in the Caribbean.